Hey guys, hi! Welcome to another video. Darlene here. So today I have partnered with Sally Hansen to show you how to create this very bright and fun mani using the new Sally Hansen Mega Strength color polishes. So if you want to see how I did it, then just keep watching. To start off my mani, I'm using the Sally Hansen Mega Strength Hardener. I'm using it as a base coat. You can totally use this product alone, and it is really good if your nails are more on the brittle side, if they're fragile and tend to crack very easily like mine. Then I'm using the Sally Hansen Mega Strength Nail Color in the shade Class Act. It's a very fun, bright shade. It makes me feel instantly happy, seriously. It is a bright coral. And the cool thing about this formula is that not only is it very smooth and easy to work with, but it also provides your nails extra strength while giving you the bold color. And I'm doing 2 coats for extra opacity. And for the fun part, I'm using the Sally Hansen Mega Strength Nail Color in the shade Persistent. I'm creating some dots using a dotting tool on my ring finger and middle finger. Don't worry, you don't need to be precise or exact with this, just have fun. And then with the Sally Hansen Mega Strength Nail Color in Wild Card, I'm creating some texture, extra dimension to the nail look. And of course, we're using once again the Sally Hansen Mega Strength Nail Color in the shade Class Act, which is the shade we use first, to just add a few extra dots and bring the whole look together. To finish off, I'm using the Sally Hansen Mega Strength Ultra Shine Top Coat, and this is a quick dry top coat, which is always a plus for me, huge plus for me. And I'm doing 1 coat, as I said, and this is going to provide my nails extra strength and protection. And bada bing bada boom, our nails are slayed. Yes! All the products are going to be listed in the description box below. Thank you, Sally Hansen, for partnering with me on this video, and I want to thank you so much for watching. I send you lots of love, kisses, and hugs like always, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!